What's going on, guys? Honda Technician here with another video. Had a CVS valve stuck closed code. Upon further inspection and removing the CVS valve, I found water inside of the valve and inside the canister. So I went ahead and replaced the canister, the valve, and the fuel tank pressure sensor. Cleared the codes, and now I'm just going to do a function test on the Evap just to make sure that it passes. After installing the funnel and letting the system purge out any gases in the tank, I removed the funnel. Now I'm ready to actually start the test. As we turn on the AC, we're at the defrosters. Start the engine. Got to get the car up to operating temperature before I can do the tests. After I got the engine up to temperature, it's finally doing the test. It usually goes through a few different test modes. It takes about 10-15 minutes sometimes. And we'll go through the processes of turning the CVS valve on and off, duty cycling the purge sensor, solenoid rather, and it sees if it can hold a vacuum and sees if it can keep it for a certain amount of time. And if everything passes, I usually do it 3 times, and if it seems good, then I let the car go. It's not a 100% sure thing, but for the most part, it should be good if it passes the test. And seeing how there was water in the canister, it's very common on these newer style Accords. So it's usually one of the first things I tend to look at if it does fail the Evap test. All right, as you can see, the Evap system is normal. I'm going to go ahead and do that 2 more times, and as long as that takes care of that, I'm going to call that a fix. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.